location sensor app. It will tell your location where you are. So let's get started. You click on start new project and the project name is location. Okay. So now it opens and the text of it, and now we go to screen and properties and device default. The theme is device default and the title is nothing. Now we go to upper side and the line horizontal is center 3 and the line vertical is center 2. Now the background color of the screen 1. So set screen 1 dot background color. Set screen 1 dot background color to dark blue, and now we drag one label. Label text is nothing. Font bold. Font size is 21. And now we drag one button, and the button is above the label. Font size of the button is 20. Font bold. Background color is cyan and text is tell location. Tell location. Done. Now we drag one location sensor from the sensors and drag one location sensor. Now we do the blocks part. So when button once click, we go to label1.text. So set label1.text to location sensor dot current address. So let's check it now. So after I've connected it, let's check it. So I click on tell location and it is telling location, so it is working. So thank you guys.